here, Imani, and I am back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right down below. Hit that post notification bell so you know when I'm uploading, because it's Vlogmas, like duh. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. As you guys can see, I have a homie in the background. Y'all should already know who he is if y'all are loyal family members, but if you're not, if you're new, welcome. And this is
Swaggy.
Ooh, child, get the phlegm out your throat. Ooh, God, what the hell is that?
Coffee. Swag. Yes.
Anyway, as you guys can see from the title today, we are building gingerbread houses. We ain't never do this before, so I don't really know how this is going to go, but you know, it was cute. It was buy one get one 50% off at the Walgreens, so yeah, we're gonna do it. And before y'all even say something, I already know I've missed Vlogmas day 5, but listen, I had important business to take care of that I just could not focus on Vlogmas, and nor could I have filmed that because it's private stuff. But anyway, enough of that. Let's just make shit wiggle and jiggle, alright? Fairly two kinds of people. Okay, the frosting is in the bag. Oh no, this is a disaster.
I think you're just supposed to put it on like the little puzzle pieces part.
This ain't it. I tell y'all that right now, this is not it. Mine in the camera shuttle.
We're back.
We're ready.
So right now my house is drying, and we still trying to get meanies over here.
Listen, I ain't bothered to build it, so. layer. You know, when we get quiet, that means concentrate.
Yo, I'm mad concentrating. I keep looking at this.
Oh, well, it's gonna sit. I gotta let. Oh, it's gonna sit for several, and then I can start decorating. My side of my house, I did an N for Nene. Had to add the nerds on the top of my, at the top. I added a little heart, you know. It's not the best heart, but hey. And then here's the front of my house. I put a heart here to represent love and peace when you enter my little house. And I got little, those are probably doorknobs or something.
I ain't showing it on mine.
And here is my lawn.
This is my little snow, you know what I'm saying? And then,
wow.
You know, you have like the little colors, because you know, it's like charming. It's like, you know,
nice.
Twinkles, you know what I'm saying?
Beautiful.
And then in the front, you know what I'm saying? One of my little things fell off. Hold on, let me put that on. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? These are my Christmas lights. Ooh,
oh wow!
And
twinkle,
then,
twinkle.
Yeah, and then you have the little, you know, outline. You know what I'm saying? You know, it has a little S on it, because you know, for swag. You feel me?
Wow!
I didn't even have to draw nothing.
That's
nothing
real
like that.
creative.
Pay attention to detail. You know what I'm saying? And then here's my door down here. You know what I'm saying?
Beautiful.
I have my little Christmas lights. You know,
that's
around.
Real beautiful.
You know what I'm saying? And then I have, you know, the yellow star. It's not a star, but it's like it's lit up. You know what I'm saying?
Use your imagination.
It's lit
that's
up.
nice. That's
you know
nice.
what I'm saying? It's
really...
keeping the neighbors up because it's so bright.
Wow.
Wait, you gotta show them the.
I did show them.
It's keeping the neighbors up.
Wow,
it's so bright.
Christmas star on top of his house.
We have come to the end of this video. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow in Vlogmas Day 7. Bye.